Sometimes a delivery is more than just a package. This box carries a piece of my journey. During COVID, when the world slowed down, I planted a small flower. When it bloomed, it gave me hope and joy in a difficult time. I captured that feeling in a photograph. Today, that photograph returns to me in another form, printed on canvas by Printshopoy. From memory to frame, from moment in time to something I can hold and place in my home. Unboxing this is like reliving that first bloom, a reminder that beauty once created never leaves us, it only changes its form.